Yes.
As it please the court, my lord.
Yes.
I indicated yesterday that I shouldn't really be seen as a niggler. But again, this does not have to do with the substance of this case. It has got to do with the collateral application.
Okay.
As I indicated yesterday, that my colleague who are moving the application on behalf of accused number 3 and 5 would have requested to come see them today. And that has happened, but apparently they are picking up a lot of problems with regard to the facilitation of that process. I then requested my colleague that the information that needs to be conveyed to the court with regard to those challenges might not come up as crisp as it would if it is done through me, my lord. Remember, I'll only be the conduit pipe, and then I requested her that I would request an indulgence from the court to indicate what those challenges are. As it pleases the court, my lord, she is here.
Yeah, okay, fine.
I'm requested that the court grants the indulgence just to unpack all those challenges that she's facing. Thank you.
Yes, ma'am.
My please, Court. I confirm my appointment for accused 3 and 5, the applicants in the urgent application. I wish to convey the difficulty I currently experience to obtain instructions and to finalize the urgent application that's due to be heard next week. We have been assured by the respondents, DCS in this matter, that they will facilitate and accommodate consultations with accused 3 and 5. I am not experienced that accommodation as promised in the papers. I contacted them this morning requesting to please accommodate us to consult after the court proceedings. We have voluminous proceedings which we must canvass with the accused before the court. I've been informed that should I wish to hand these documents to the accused, it should be perused by the DCS officials, and then only will it be handed to the accused before court. My submission is it's infringement of the client and attorney privilege, and I refuse to subject my clients to that. I will therefore have no opportunity or alternative to request this court to accommodate the request to stand out the proceedings, to enable me to obtain instructions from my clients pertaining to the urgent application, to ensure compliance with the practice directives of the urgent court.
Now, which counsel says, or which official says you must first have sight of the documents before you hand them over to your client?
The official is present in court, and my colleague...
Where is she or he? Where is the said official? Do you know, sir?
Oh, what I said if they're gonna take the documents, to back to the center, we're gonna hand over to CMEX. They check the document and then, so that they can have them in the cell.
Which documents are you referring to, sir? The ones which counsel has?
Yeah, the one the council said wanted to hand over to us so that they can have them.
What's the problem then?
Usually in CMEX, when there's some documents coming from court, they check those documents and then they hand over to the inmates.
No, I don't think it's necessary. Who do we call at Siemens? Who's this? Is it Mr. Nomalo?
Mr. Kabel.
Who?
Mr. Kabel, the head of the center.
Do you have a phone with you?
Yeah, I do have a phone.
Why don't you phone him and say, I'm saying that the documents must be handed over to the clients because it's attorney and client privilege. They can see the documents when they are served on the correctional services, not before. Okay. Can you say that to him?
I'll just phone him.
Yeah, just. Is he here?
No, it's not here.
Okay. Yeah, call him.
Your Lordship, may I please also address another frustration we experience with the DCS in this regard. They're undertaking that they will not frustrate the consultation process. We are experiencing extreme difficulty to consult and obtain instructions. We bend it backwards to ensure that we can consult with our clients in this regard. I request that after hours not to intrude on the court's time and a witness is present before court. They are very adamant they knock off at 4 o'clock and there's no one available. I requested an indulgence to consulting the weekend. I'm still awaiting for a response. As the court pleases.
Weekend. So they say they are not employed, they are not working on weekends.
Your Lordship, I didn't hear.
I say, is the staff at correctional services say they don't work over weekends?
They don't accommodate legal visitations during weekends.
Oh, they don't? Is
It's
that their
only
rules?
family.
Is
That's
that their
the
rules?
That's their practice.
Okay.
But they undertook to come back to me. I emphasized that it is an urgent matter. I further requested further indulgence then if the weekend is not available, then after the proceedings are done in court and they say that they knock off at 4 and no one is available.
How many hours do you need to consult?
Your Lordship, this is a voluminous application.
How many hours do you need?
3 hours, Your
Because
Lordship.
if you are telling me about the documents, I have no sight of them. 3 hours.
3 hours.
Can we adjourn for 3 hours and then you attend to that? Is that okay?
It's indeed.
So we'll come back. What time is the, by the way? 3 hours from 10 o'clock.
It's probably
It's 11, 12, 1,
it's 16 minutes past 1.
right?
So 3 hours will be will be around lunchtime.
Can we come back at 1 o'clock then?
Maybe 2.
2 o'clock, okay, fine. We'll adjourn until 2, okay? And that will solve all your problems, I take it. Okay, you have heard the reasons why. Because
Sizobuya ke ngo-2 kunika ummeli ukuthi akhulume ke no Mr. Mncube no Mr. Ndlovu. Sizobuya ngo-2 konje.
oh, he wants to say something also.
No, it pertains to this matter.
The what?
It pertains to this matter.
Oh, you are involved also.
Testimony. So, no, not the application. The testimony of this witness yesterday, my lord. Something that I objected to, but I'll address the court at 2 regarding that.
Okay, let's hear the gentleman.
He said it's okay.
He said it's okay. Yeah, we'll adjourn until 2 o'clock then.